guys, we're just in this world. I don't know why, but it's a survival game. I didn't really do much here. All I did was just get a jukebox and this disc and tame a parrot. He's my best pet. He can listen to that for a while. And my friend Flynn is here. So yeah.
Hi.
So yeah. Oh my gosh. Annoying pesky skeletons. Yeah. Stay. Die skeleton. You can turn up your sound, Ryan. You can turn up your sound. My busy bird is here right now. Right, busy bird? Right, busy bird? This is my busy bird. He's my best friend. I call him Mr. Bird. There's a zombie. There's a mob. You die. Fight me versus. Yay! I killed the skeleton. That's actually really odd. Get wood, right? Cross. I just noticed that, Ryan. Look, when I was walking back.
Teleport.
Look, I'm right next to you. Come, you saw me. I didn't mind anything. I didn't mind anything out of it. It's just a perfect cross, right, viewers? It's just a perfect cross.
Yeah.
I might move the jukebox to there. My busy parrot. Follow me. Look, Ryan, the parrot's on me, Ryan. Hop off. Why are you getting spiked? It's like you've forgotten how to play Minecraft. Look, out, look. My pet parrot.
Sorry. Oops, sorry, I'll turn the lights back.
Come on, let's try something, okay? Follow me, follow me. Follow me. We're gonna try this. I'm gonna mine this jukebox. I might be making a part 2 to this, so if this video... Yeah, so I might be making a part 2 to this. I'll quickly say it now, but if it just ends randomly, it ain't my fault, okay? I don't know how to do this. I'm actually new to YouTube. This is actually not my first video, but I have made other ones. Better ones. But this is... Okay, this is a cross. You saw me, guys. I did not mine out this cross, guys. Right, Ryan? Do you believe me?
No. Oh, why?
Look, do you believe me that I didn't mine this cross?
No, you
So you do believe me.
yeah, dude.
Okay,
I'm
dude.
getting wood, alright?
I'm gonna play this.
Look, mine don't
Oh, it's dancing on my shoulder. Look, the parrot's dancing on my
No,
shoulder.
I'm just getting wood.
Look at me. Can you see me?
Yeah?
Stare at me. Don't get that wood. Get the darker wood, please. Okay? And Ryan, look. Can you see the parrot dancing at me?
Yeah? Go on, I'm you.
Just be mindful of my parrot, okay? He's just there.
No, what will happen if he suffocates?
He would. Well, I hope he doesn't.
How do I place the seats down? What, your parents over here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, now he's on me.
Where should I place the seat? I can't place
Just chuck it on the ground. We need to start building a house.
I know.
I'm gonna build one next to this cross, okay? Don't mind me. Yep. My parrot will be next to the cross for some reason.
Where's the place?
What?
Yeah. Hi there. Oh,
So
how about if I walk over here?
don't. Okay, don't. You'll hurt him. You'll hurt him. Just say you'll hurt him. Wait, I got a crafting table already.
Oh. I just need to craft my stick together.
Wait, I just gotta place it down. Dump it over there.
What? What? It's not far away.
Yeet. Because we're gonna stay there and see if anything creepy happens around the cross. I just placed that there for no reason. But if I play disc 11, I wonder what will happen. Want it? No. Oh, no, the bird doesn't want it. I'm wondering if the bird was hungry. Did you know if you give the bird cookies, it will poison it?
I know. Where's the place we should get cobblestone?
I've got an idea.
I just mine down.
No,
Why?
that's the dumbest idea I've
Not
ever.
mine real down, just make stairs going down. It's just start mining.
Come, look. Follow me.
Ready?
Can you see my name tag?
Yeah. I'm looking around. Oh yeah, here.
I've already found your.
I see you. It's all the way down.
Uh,
Yeah, cobblestone.
I don't know, I'm just mining straight.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Push your hand.
Yep, that's how you know these cobblestone.
What is that, so? Mine down. Make some stairs.
Oh no. Luckily, I've got sandstone. Wait, stay there.
Okay.
I'm gonna see what will happen if I put.
Oh, you're suffocating me! Oh my god! You're right!
What?
Stop suffocating me!
It isn't my fault.
Yeah!
Oopsie daisy.
Where's all my items?
Oh, yeah. Wait, you had items?
Yeah.
Oh no.
What?
They were suffocated with the union.
Oh.
What? I did not know it was gonna suffocate you, okay? I did not know. Oh, I did not know that, okay? Oh, you can take your sword. I only got your sword. This is all I got. Don't craft any more items because let's craft the rest of the items out of stone. Thanks for the pickaxe though.
Wait, do you have it?
Yeah, say you're welcome.
You're right.
What? I needed it. If I'm gonna go mining, did you suspect me to go mining with my bare hands? Nuh-uh.
I'm just going to get wood now.
Okay, you can get wood. But don't craft any items because we can craft items out of cobblestone.
Yeah.
So just don't waste your
What
time.
about the sticks? I just crafted sticks.
Oh, this. Oh, there's still no more cobblestone yet. Oh,
Oh, I
cobblestone.
died because the show's kind of weird. Oh no, look at the silver.
Cobblestone, cobblestone, cobblestone,
I
cobblestone.
see them. I just stuck.
Oh, cobblestone's still very far away.
I just dig down here. See,
Oh.
I found cobblestone. Okay.
Oh, I already found cobblestone. No need.
I'm just getting some sand. Lots of sand. There.
Built a staircase down here. Come,
Oh my
Ryan.
gosh!
Ryan.
Wait,
Ryan.
I just placed that sand over there. All of that fell.
I know. That's what happens.
Oh.
All the. What, Ryan? I'm gonna help
I'm
bury.
just trying to mine all the blocks. Where's the cobblestone? Here?
Yep, all the cobblestone is in the hole you see there.
How can I get the cobblestone?
It ain't my fault. You have
There's
to.
someone down here.
It's getting dark. Are you in my hole right now? Yeah. I got a suggestion for you.
What?
How about you not go in the dark?
I am, I'm not.
Holly, I actually made 2 ways. Have you noticed? Did you notice what? Oh, I'm running low on food. I'm dead. And my pickaxe is running low.
I can build a kit.
I'm dead soon. I'm dead. Oh, my way's still here. Oh no. Did you? I just noticed. The old way I made caved in.
How?
I don't know, but it just did. Okay. Don't question me. Okay. Carrot, stay with me. I know this would be sad, okay? What are you crafting? Get rid of the sand. Don't just chuck it away. Just place it. Don't place it randomly. Place it at a spot.
Look how close it is. But we can make a house.
No, just place it randomly. Oh! Uh-oh, creeper, creeper.
You hear that sound?
Yep, I'm hearing a hissing sound. Don't
what?
sit
I'm
down.
circling you.
I saved you. I saved you. I saved you.
Oh, whoa.
You should thank me. I saved
Oh,
you.
oh, what's that?
A zombie. I saved you, okay? You should be saying thank you. I saved
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
I hate you.
Thank you.
Stay here. Don't follow me.
I'm
Oh!
running away.
Egg,
Don't-
egg alert, egg alert, found an egg. I'm gonna cook the egg to make cooked egg.
What egg? Chicken egg?
Yeah.
Chicken egg? More chicken. I've got 4 chickens.
Oh, I'm hungry. So,
4 chicken.
is everything okay over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure I just... Come back. I really need food. Please give the food to me.
But raw. Raw.
Drop the food to me, please. Please.
Right, coming down. Wait. Done.
Thank you. I'm about to starve to death.
Hi.
Don't be upset. I'm on 1 house right now. I'm on 1 food limit. 1,
Mom,
2, 3,
you get some cobblestone for me. I only have 1.
5, 6.
4. Yeah. That's 36.
Eight. Oh, I found coal as well.
Come.
Don't go. Don't mine it. Come back up. Don't mine anything. Just come back up. Right now. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Come back up. I'm about to stop to death. I'm about to stop to death.
There's my pickaxe.
Come on.
I don't have enough wood. I only have 3 pieces of wood.
Where are you? You're not down there. Okay, I thought you were still down there. Oh,
I go across my pickaxe.
I'm out of food. Look, give me the cooked chicken. I saved myself. Be quiet. I saved myself. So yeah, 3 more food bars. So what should I do next? I should just.
I'm just mining down.
Okay, bye guys. We'll have to carry on this in a new episode. See you later, guys.
Yeah.
And